enemies, I got very few. And if you think you are, I ain't talking to you, but who I'm talking to forever is a mic. A love-hate thing like Spike to the right. So maybe I might just grab a pen and write a letter to myself asking how you been, and then spit the answer in a verse. 16 lines, 8 rhymes, 6 times rehearsed. Friends, I got very few. And if you think you are, then I'm talking to you. But what I'm talking through forever is a mic. Forever is a long time, dark to light. Life is a long rhyme framed with vanilla skies. Most these dreams are unseen, man, damn these eyes. But I never met a mic that I didn't like, cause I never seen a dark that you couldn't light.
Everything I say you can hear, cause I transmit sound into a signal that can bounce around the planet. My tool for this is simple, in my hand it's understated. I'm making it look easy even when it's complicated. So I treat it with respect, the respect that it deserves, as it's pulling from the air and it's collecting all my words. When I put it all together, then the picture is complete, and I'm hyping up the crowd to get them jumping out the seats. I never met a mic